Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is VEDA number 20, and I am still excited to be able to come before you and continue to work on this challenge. Wow, where is the time going? We are 2/3 of the way through the month of April. All right, so today's video, I wanted to talk to you about hugs. Have you ever heard the expression, big old hug? What does that mean to you? And when you hear that expression or think about it, what do you think about? What thoughts are developed in your head? For me, it is a source of comfort and brings about happy and good feelings. It can help you when you're sad. It can help you when you're happy. It can help you when you're frustrated. So any type of mood that you're in, a hug can be helpful. So it's kind of a versatile thing. All right. So why are we talking about hugs? Well, a fellow content creator and wonderful creator and yarny friend of ours by the name of Lora over at Crojo Corner has come up with a beautiful pattern and a cause that you guys should maybe consider participating in. And it is called Hugs for Happiness. I think it's an awesome, awesome thing. And I tell you what, when I saw her video a while back, I immediately grabbed some yarn and I made some hugs. So I'm going to show you the first hugs that I made here. Aren't they adorable? So I made them and I showed them to her and I thought, oh, they're just so adorable. Thank you so much. And at the time, she didn't give us information as to how she wanted to utilize them and whatnot. And then later she put up a video. Well, the time got away and I wasn't able to work on enough of them and get them out to her. And I actually felt a little bad about that. However, the deadline has been extended. So that's why I'm coming before you guys today. She actually wants to take these hugs and she is accepting ones that we have made if we want to participate. And then she is going to donate them to a worthy cause. And I think it's just awesome. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put her information in the description box below so that you can see it if you want to participate. I'll put the videos and things there. That way, if you want to participate, you can. And I hope that you might consider. It doesn't take a lot of time, actually. And it's actually a fun way to use up some of your scrap yarn. All right, so I actually got a little busy and I started making quite a few. So I'm going to show you a photo here. Yeah, I got busy. So now, guys, here are my hugs. All right. And so the ones that I have done, I've used a lot of different yarns and tried to combine them. I have not put the eyes on yet, nor have I glued the hearts on. But I do think that it's just awesome to be able to come up with different combinations, you see? And these are the original ones that I did. And I think they're just so cute, right? So I'm going to go ahead and finish these so that I can get them out to her. And that way she can have them so that she can take them on or deliver them where she needs to deliver them. But I wanted to do this quick video to let you guys know about it. Listen, Lora is really, really creative and she finds very nice, fun projects for us to consider doing. And in addition to that, she is awesome with organization. And she's an author. She has developed several journals that you can use to help keep your thoughts and to do mindfulness exercises with your writing and be creative and organized in that way. So if you have not gone over to her channel, you must go over and check out Lora at Crojo Corner. All right. You will not be disappointed. Okay. All right. So now as I was working on these hugs, I actually came across another hug, but it was a bag of hugs. So I thought that I would try it out, and this is what I used. Now, I used a variegated yarn for this one, and I hope that you can see the stitch pattern with this one. It was hard for me to see the stitch pattern, but it's basically a nice little round sack with a mesh type of stitch at the top, and then a little bit of scallops at the top, and you use a drawstring to try to pull it together, right? So now I thought that this was really, really cute, and the whole idea behind this is to take your heart and put it in the bag and then tie it up, and then someone has the bag of hearts. Now I'm going to check my notes so that I can tell you exactly the designer that came up with this pattern. Okay, and this is a bag of hugs by Carolyne over at Party Artisan. All right, now this is the thing. I actually found this on a roundabout way on Ravelry. So when you click on this pattern you see it on Ravelry, but when you click on it, the link is no longer available. So what I actually had to do was take a look at some of the other people who actually made this pattern, and another person actually put the link on the Wayback Machine, and I was able to then get the pattern and print it out. All right, so beautiful, beautiful pattern. I really love it. Now, how do I say it's a beautiful pattern? Because it's very difficult to see with this yarn that I chose. Let me show you. I actually did one in this beautiful gold yarn, and this is yarn that I had in my stash from a previous project, and I still had some left. It doesn't take up a lot of yarn. So I went ahead and made it with the yarn, and then let me show you what I did with the heart. So this is the heart, guys. So what I did here was I took one heart that I made with this red heart with love, and I hope you can see the sparkles there. And then I made another one with a smaller hook that's appropriate for this size yarn. And I put the two together and just kind of stacked them. And I just think this is just so adorable. And then I can take it and I can put it in my bag and pull it closed. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. All right. So I'm so excited. Yes. So now, the pattern called for doing a chain. And so I did this as a chain. All right. But I didn't like it. I didn't like the chain. So what I did instead was I made a twisted cord. Now, what I'm going to do in a follow-up video is I'm going to do a little mini tutorial and show you guys how to do a twisted cord. All right. So look for that coming up next. And yeah, so I'll show you exactly how I did that. And perhaps if you ever have a project where you would like to do a twisted cord, hopefully the tip will help you. Okay. All right. So now that's what I have for my happiness, hugs for happiness. And you absolutely have to check out both of them. Check out if you want the bag for happiness on Ravelry, and the hug for happiness. I'll put the links for Lora's channel. All right. So now, guys, let's get into our puzzle. Here are the results of yesterday's puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And here is the puzzle for today. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for leaving me a comment. I really, really do appreciate it. And I just I'm just so honored that you guys want to take the time to hang out with me, even if it's just for a moment. Now, before I go, let me show you the results of the microgreen demo that I did on yesterday. So as you see, there hasn't really been a change from yesterday, but that's okay because it's just been a day. So each day I will show you the results of the microgreens, and then you guys can see if it's a good thing or if it's a flop or what have you. And not all seeds germinate. So sometimes you just have a batch that doesn't. So we'll see how it goes. All right. So that's all I have for today. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you guys on tomorrow. Bye bye now.